Captain James T. Kirk of Star Trek defined a meeting as an event where minutes are taken and hours wasted. The quote is cynical, but funny because most of us have experienced that type of meeting, the one that felt like it wasn't relevant to us or didn't produce meaningful results. But what if you could change that? Here are 5 steps you can take to run meetings that are more efficient and more effective at achieving your goals. Speaking of goals, let's start with the first step, which is to define your objective. Whether you need to provide information or training, make a decision, solve a problem, or brainstorm new ideas, you should identify your meeting's objective in advance. Defining what you hope to accomplish by the end of the meeting gives you a clear target to hit. Once you know why you're calling a meeting, the next step is to choose who should attend and where it should take place. Be selective when choosing attendees. Only invite those who are relevant or truly need to be there. Also, when choosing the meeting location, select an environment that is conducive to a productive meeting. That might mean holding a standing meeting to keep it succinct, choosing the conference room to make it more comfortable, or selecting a location with a whiteboard available for brainstorming. The next step is to set an agenda, and it's crucial. An agenda is a list of what your meeting will cover. It includes discussion topics and meeting activities and defines the order in which you'll address them. A meeting agenda is like a map that guides attendees through the meeting to your objectives. Your agenda should include meeting logistics, such as the meeting time, duration, location, and attendees. It should state your meeting objective, and it should outline the meeting's topics and activities with a time estimate for each section. An effective meeting avoids distractions and detours. So, the next step is to keep your meeting on track. That means you need to play referee during the meeting. Be direct and let attendees know if they take the conversation outside of your meeting objectives. Acknowledge their idea or concern and ask to schedule a separate meeting or chat one-on-one to address it. Ban the use of cell phones, laptops, or other distractions during the meeting. Also, press for closure on meeting topics. Restate the decisions you've made, follow-up tasks, and deadlines before moving forward. The final step in running an effective meeting is to recap your meeting outcomes. Outcomes include decisions, key information, tasks, roles, and deadlines. Recap outcomes as you finish each topic and summarize them at the end of the meeting to make sure everyone is on the same page. Running an effective meeting isn't so hard if you follow these 5 steps. And your teammates will thank you for making sure that instead of wasting their time, you're solving problems, exchanging information, and sharing relevant ideas.